Cool. Are we ready? Did you already do all your stuff?
I just need a clap.
Okay. Hey everybody, today we're going to go over the differences between all of our monocular style laser rangefinders. First, let's talk about the similarities. All of these optics feature HD optical systems, and the display that you see when you get a range is going to be a red illuminated display that you can see in daytime and low light. All these models feature multiple ranging modes, including HCD or horizontal component distance mode, which is essentially angle compensation, giving you a corrected distance when ranging at angles. They also feature LOS or line of sight mode, which won't be correcting for the angle, it'll just give you that straight line of sight distance. When we get into this model over here, we'll talk about how that also incorporates ballistics into it as well. The buttons on the outside of these models are all easy to get to. You have your menu button for changing the settings within the rangefinder, and then of course the measure button, which you can also hold down to engage scan feature, which will give you constant responses as you pan across a landscape. When you're out in the field, you have the assurance that all of these models are waterproof and shockproof, and they all come with a carrying case. With the Crossfire, Diamondback, and Viper, you're going to get the soft carry case over here, and with the Razor models, you're going to get the premium carry case. Last but not least, when it comes to similarities, all of these rangefinders, as with any Vortex product, are covered under our lifetime unlimited VIP warranty, which includes the rangefinder itself and of course the electronics inside as well. Now, part of the thing that makes these rangefinders different is that each one occupies a different tier within our hierarchy of products. Good, better, best, if you will. We start out in that case with the Crossfire HD 1400. From there we go to the Diamondback HD 2000, the Viper HD 3000, and then we move into our Razor HD series with the 4000 and the 4000 GB. Let's get into the more specific details about what makes each one of these different. We'll start on the outside with chassis material. For the Crossfire and Diamondback, it is a polycarbonate chassis. When you move up to the Viper, it's an aluminum chassis, and finally with the Razor series, you're getting a magnesium chassis for maximum durability and also maintaining that lightweight. With the Diamondback, Viper, and Razor series, you're also getting rubber armor in addition to that chassis material for further protection and better grip out in the field. Again, looking at Diamondback and up, all of these rangefinders feature a belt clip, which is reversible from side to side depending on your preference, and they're all tripod adaptable with a 1/4-20 threaded insert in the bottom. The weight for all of these rangefinders is as follows: 4.8 ounces for the Crossfire, 7.6 ounces for the Diamondback, 9.1 ounces for the Viper, 9.9 ounces for the Razor, and on the Razor GB, it's 10.1 ounces. Taking a look under the hood with these rangefinders at performance, the magnification, first off, is a little different just with the Crossfire. It is a 5x magnification, whereas looking through the Diamondback and up will give you a 7x magnified image. The maximum capable range on reflective targets is indicated in the name of each model. So with the Crossfire, your maximum capable range is 1,400 yards. With the Diamondback, it's 2,000. The Viper, 3,000. And with both Razor models, the maximum capable range on reflective targets is 4,000 yards. Of course, in practical use, chances are you may be ranging non-reflective targets, like a deer, for example. In that case, your capable range that you can expect is going to be approximately 750 yards with the Crossfire, 1,400 yards with the Diamondback, 2,000 yards with the Viper, and with both Razor models, you're going to get approximately 2,200 yards capability. We offer 4 different target modes for our rangefinders, and depending on which model you have, it may have a few of them or all 4. The mode you're going to be using the most, which all of these rangefinders have, is normal mode. In normal mode, you're going to get the distance for the target that the rangefinder is getting the best response from. The next mode is first mode, which is present on the Crossfire, Viper, and Razor series. You use first mode when you're trying to range something like a deer, which is in front of something more reflective like a tree line or a rock face behind it. The third mode is last mode, and it's present on all of these rangefinders. You use last mode when you're trying to range that deer, but now it's behind a lot of other things like trees and rocks that are more reflective. The fourth mode is called ELR mode, and it's present on the Viper and Razor models. In ELR mode, you allow the rangefinder more time to give you a response at targets at extreme distances, and it's best used off a tripod. If you'd like to know more in-depth information about each one of our 4 target modes, we have a dedicated video you should go and check out. The accuracy of your rangefinder is obviously very important. With the Crossfire, Diamondback, and Viper rangefinders, you can expect plus or minus 1 yard accuracy. and with the Razor rangefinders you can expect plus or minus 0.5 yard accuracy. Now for those of you who are hunters or long range shooters and you want a rangefinder that can range and give you a ballistic solution in your display, then you're going to want to check out the Razor GB. The Razor GB is equipped with an onboard geoballistics solver that integrates in with the GeoBallistic app, where you can create multiple ballistic profiles to upload right onto the rangefinder. Also on board the Razor GB are environmental sensors, so you can be getting even more accurate ballistic solutions. And it has 2 wind modes where you can manually input wind speed and direction. There's certainly a lot more to unpack with the Razor GB and each one of these models individually. Each one has its own in-depth video where we'll give you all the details that you should go and check out. Now, I mentioned earlier on that this lineup is a good, better, best lineup, and certainly that's the case on paper. But what we have here overall is a set of rangefinders where you can find one that's going to be exactly right for you in your application in just about any environment. Whether you're a Midwestern tree stand bow hunter, a Western long-range rifle hunter, or a long-range precision shooter, we have a rangefinder solution for you. So there you have it. There's the rundown on the high-level differences between our monocular style rangefinders. If you have any questions about this whole lineup or any product in particular, definitely let us know in the comments below, or you can hit us up on social media, phone, email, whatever works best for you. We always love hearing from you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.